Claudie cooks, bring sunshine into your life with some lovely food and Caribbean spices, dices. Claudie cooks.
Hey foodies, welcome back to Claudie Cook's Kitchen. If you're into big flavors and bold fusion, you are in the right place. Today we are making some RumFire Gochujang Parmesan wings that's full of soul and culture.
RumFire wings, RumFire wings. Everybody loves those RumFire wings.
Check out the description box for all of the ingredients used in this video today. Are you ready? Let's get cooking. Woo-hoo! Right, we have in here about 1.5 pounds of wings, and they've been washed and dried already. We're going in with some olive oil. It's about a teaspoon baking powder, and we're going in with 1 tablespoon. We're going in with 1 teaspoon of salt. Teaspoon. Ooh, a bit more than we wanted in there. I'm just going to remove a bit of that. Throw that out. We're going to go in with 1/2 teaspoon of ground allspice and a tablespoon of Parmesan. Yes, Parmesan is going in as well. And this ground allspice is just going to give a bit of Caribbean kind of base note to it, a bit of warmth as well. So after all, this is all about Caribbean fusion. And now we are going to get our hand dirty by mixing all this together now. Let's massage it all in. And you probably know already the baking powder will help to crisp up the skin. Okay. Right, now we're going to set these on a wire rack and we're going to put them in the fridge for about 1 to 2 hours. The longer you leave them, it will help to crisp up the skin a bit more. I think more than likely I'll just leave it in for about an hour, but 1 to 2 hours. Okay, let's get the rack. Okay, in the fridge we go. See you in a while. Okay, we're making these wings in the air fryer, but you could also do them in the oven at 220 degrees Celsius as well. So in we go. We're not going to overload the trays here because we want to try and keep them as crispy as we can done this way. And I think we may have to do them in 2 batches. So what you need to do is do the first slot and then flip them over, because we're going to cook them for about 22 minutes to 25 minutes or until they are cooked to your liking. Okay, so we're getting in this first batch and we're going to put them in for 22 minutes, and then I'm going to flip them over halfway, so I will see you back when they're all done. Look at these. This is the last batch and they're done. Listen to that. Don't need to put them under the grill or anything. Just fantastic. Right, we're just going to put these in the oven and keep them warm whilst I make the glaze. For the glaze, we'll be using 1.5 tablespoons of gochujang. It's a Korean tomato paste. And we're going in with some baby Ray brown sauce. We're going to go in with about 1 tablespoon, some tamarind paste, just about 1 teaspoon of that. And we're going to go in with some liquid smoke to get some smokiness to that. We're going in with 1 teaspoon. Oops, creating a mess. Don't do that. 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. That's dark brown sugar, but you can use whatever sugar you have got. And I'm going in with some dark rum. I'm going in with a generous tablespoon, some soy sauce, in with some lime juice. I'm not getting that much out of that half, so squeeze in the other half. I'm looking for about a tablespoon, and we're going to go in with some grated garlic and ginger to that as well. As much garlic or as little. I'm going in with 3 cloves. Some ginger. Looking about a teaspoon. Just to note, if I had the Grace brown sauce, I wouldn't have used the tamarind or the molasses that I'm putting in here, but I'm just adding that because I want to create as close a flavor to the Grace's one. But if you've got that, or you just want to use whatever brown sauce you've got, go for it. Now for a pinch of cinnamon for that nice warming flavor on base to it, just a pinch. We're going to give that a really good mix, and then we're just going to leave it stirring all the time. Make sure it's not drying out or burning for about 5 to 7 minutes. And I've got the heat on medium low. It smells really beautiful. I bet you're imagining what it's going to taste like with the wings. I know it's going to be fire. Look at that beautiful, rich, dark and chocolatey flavor. Minus the chocolate. Let's give this a little taste. That's how we like it in Claudie Cook's Kitchen. See you when that's done. We're ready now, so we're going to switch the fire off. That's what we're looking for. And to get the heater. Oh, whoa! Look at that. We've got smoked out, steamed out. And so we're going to switch that off. And to that we're going to add a teaspoon of butter for a bit of glossiness. Let's give that a little mix. Let's brush this delicious RumFire glaze over these beautiful air fry wings.
RumFire wings, RumFire wings. Everybody loves those RumFire wings.
Do the same on the next side, and then we're going to plate up, or you can throw them on the grill, the broil, for a minute or so. You choose. Okay, let's just dress it up a little bit. We're going in with some chopped spring onion, and we're going in with some chili for a pop of color. The seeds are in as well. Look how gorgeous that's looking. And now we're going in with a flurry of Parmesan cheese. Just a little dusting. And we're going to hit that up with some lime juice to bring some brightness of the tropics to that bowl. And a little splash of olive oil. This is optional. And finally, few blots of herbs, fresh herbs on here. I'm using some coriander because that's what I've got. And there you have it, guys, my RumFire Gochujang wings.
RumFire wings, RumFire wings. Everybody loves those RumFire wings.
If you're loving this video and loving these wings, hit the subscribe button, share, and give me a thumbs up, and let me know in the comments if you try them out. Let's taste one of these delicious wings. Ooh, it's a bit hot. Oh my god. Has a really nice kick of the spices, the umami flavor, the tamarind, the molasses. It tastes amazing. Give these wings a try. You won't be disappointed. And this glaze, it's truly fire, honestly. See you in the next video.
Cloudy cooks, bring sunshine into your life with some lovely food and Caribbean spices.